G'day guys, it's Ralph here. What do you think of the heartiness of my beard? It's becoming most hearty, I feel. Welcome to put a comment in the comments below about it, or do the YouTubery, you know, the subscribe, or the thumbs up, or the comment. It would be cool. I've never seen a sparkler in super slow motion burn all the way down. So that's what I want to do tonight. Here's my setup. I'm not going to waste a lot of time talking about it. We've got our sparkler here with props to make it up. And then I've got my protective glass. And on the other side, that's my Osmo Action, which shoots at 1080p at 240 frames a second, which means I can slow it down to 10% of what you see. And it's set up so that the top and the bottom are in frame, and so basically I'm going to light it up and it's going to burn down in slow motion. Hey, and just have a look at this. This is the tripod I'm using, and it's got 6 different attachments to make my Osmo Action stick on this tripod. These tripods are amazing. They're like $32 from Officeworks if you're in Australia. You can't get them that cheap anywhere else. They're double the price everywhere else, but Officeworks, go team. And it's got 7 different parts that don't belong together, that are working together, very collaborative, to enable my Osmo Action to sit flush against the glass. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's not great, is it? No, I'm not even going to let you endure the rest of that. That was terrible. The reason it was terrible, I have since discovered, is that the glass refracts some of the light and also causes the autofocus on the Osmo Action not to work. So what I've done is kind of reset it all. I've put the Osmo just here and the sparkler just here, and there's space here where the lens doesn't get cooked from the sparkler. Very important. I was also thinking too, I'm not sure I'd do this with a DSLR because you might fry your sensor, because it burns pretty hot and pretty white, so just be careful of that. I thought then what I could do is, if I leave this camera in exactly the same place and the sparkler, a new sparkler each time, exactly the same space, I can do it with different light scenarios and different daylight and night time, and then put a bit of a well, not a time lapse, but a composition of some video together. Might look sick. So you can just enjoy it, see what it actually looks like before you see it through the actual lens, and then you can subscribe below. You want to do that? Go on. Give me a thumbs up. Put a comment. What creative things would you do with the sparkler that I could then do and film or photograph? So thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the show.